Hey everyone, I wanted to share something with you that is really exciting. This is Sanoa's credit score. Way back when we were, on our journey, one of the things that we started to dig deep into was credit, and we discovered that by adding Sanoa and Malia as authorized users to our credit card, to one of our credit cards, that they would be able to build credit. Not all credit cards allow this, and some credit cards have a minimum age. But the card that we use, allows us to add our children, and they get credit. They get credit history. They also get to use the available credit. All of these things that factor into putting together a stellar score, they get to take advantage of that when they are added as an authorized user. And we did that with Sanoa, and look at her 782 credit score. That's incredible. When I was 18, my credit score did not look like that. But this just goes to show how powerful this information is. When you know it, when you apply it, we've given Sanoa a head start, a jump start on her financial journey. The credit score is just one piece of the puzzle. But I just want to share this with you guys, because if you have children that you can do this with, this is a great way to give them a head start.